Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and that's Angela. And no, today we're here at the Mall of Americas. I want to give you a little bit of a tour, some things that we see at the Mall of Americas, and take you along with us. So stick around here, and we'll see what we find and what we like and what we don't like. Anyway, so let's get to it, because you just entered the Coolest Life, Mall of Americas edition. This, of course, is the annoying background music, but this is a Nickelodeon universe in the Mall of America is what that says. And it's basically an amusement park inside of the mall. Parts of this mall actually look like the inside. Actually, there's a roller coaster up there. See the roller coaster? So that's pretty cool. Well, a lot of this reminds me of a terminal to an airport. Just a lot of silver and white. It's upstairs. We're gonna go up there in a minute. Ooh, Doc Martens. That would be 2 floors down. So this is one of the wings. It's 3 stories at this, and this section here alone is the size of most malls, and this is only not even a quarter of it, because it just keeps going and going. And they got a lot of cool stuff like that. I think that's putt-putt over there. Yeah, Moose Mountain putt-putt golf. Carlo's Bakery. Oh, look at that. That's on the TV show. Let me see. Beef jerky place. Looking for a Philly cheesesteak, actually. That's down here around this corner. A cheesesteak with Mexican music. That's awesome. He's making me a cheesesteak now. I'm sure it's better than the ones in Philly, because the ones in Philly that I had sucked. Places like this actually normally do a pretty good job. Right, thank you. Appreciate it. Well, the Philly cheesesteak was good, but it wasn't great, that's for sure. It was pretty good. Get anything in here, can't you? Pick your pick. This is actually one of the, I don't know, probably 6 different food courts. A lot of different stuff in here. It keeps going back and back and back and back. And some are empty, then you can look outside, and that's actually the amusement park there. Another angle. I don't know what these helmets are for. I guess you could pose next to them or something. It's the Ninja Turtle ride. It's a little different. Got some control over it. Interesting. Looks like fun. It's not as fast as I thought it was going to be. Kind of cool. This place is like malls within a mall, I swear. There's a whole other area. It looks so different from the rest. You know, we saw a lot of that columns and silver, and looks like the inside of a airport. Not this place. Which is Benihana's there. And check out this place. Ignore the background music, but look at this. It's called Insane Shakes to Go. Now these are shakes. There's some type of ice cream with the different toppings. Is that crazy? It's a big giant piece of cake. Guess you get them in a little mug and everything. They're probably $20 a piece. They're cool though. Every now and then, it's okay to splurge on stuff like that. This, of course, is Legoland. Yes, all these are made with Legos, to include the helicopter. It's not quite some life size, but they're pretty dang big, let me tell you. And that guy's big too. He's massive. And of course, there's the amusement park inside. And there's my lovely ride with the dog. Ooh, looky there, big nasty arcade. I don't have to listen to crazy music. All kinds of stuff making noise around here. This is a place that Dave & Buster's would be proud to have. A lot of Dave & Buster's have big machines like these. Cool. And classic Miss Pac-Man. I've seen pinball machines though. They should at least, places like this, should at least do like, I don't know, 6 pinball machines. They don't take up very much space. Huh. Anyway. Every flavor of M&M you've ever imagined before in your entire life can be found here. Ooh, kind of hard to see that one. That's all crazy. That's you. Lots of Legos. Every Lego set you ever wanted to have, you could buy here, and all the extras. You got one of these at Disney Springs has got one of these. This is called Minneapolis Sculpture Garden, and it's right here downtown. And it doesn't seem like it's downtown, but it's let's just say it's pretty close to being downtown. Because there's all that. But yeah, we're not far from downtown. At first I thought I was standing around a bunch of poop, but this is they aerated this is what it is. So that was good. Yes, we're going to check out this blue chicken and some other items here. Check out this. I thought it was missing a head from a distance, but it is just a jacket. Trench coat, I should say. Huh. Interesting. And part of a face. Church making noise way off in the distance. Not this church. Nice. Beautiful out here. It's about 72 degrees. It's September. Middle of the day, about 3 o'clock. Yeah, it's that church there making all the beautiful music. Listen to the bells. These are neat. You don't see this every day, that's for sure. Huh. They said do not climb on the sculptures. You sit in the chairs, so I guess these chairs here are actually part of the sculpture. I mean, I don't know. So many of these sculptures today, they just seem so unfinished. Like this one. You check out his bronze face. He's actually got a face. It's just bizarre. And check out the, this is the overpass, the walkover across the interstate. Lots of different colors, huh? I don't see that a lot. What do you get close to that cherry? Well, we came to the sculpture garden to look for the cherry with the spoon in it, but I seem to find it. I think it's that way. Yeah, go that way. So yeah, there's a whole lot more out here. And everything's on nice and natural earth tones, and then you see this. That's a nice cock. Cool. He's as big as the one in South Carolina. Well, South Carolina might be just a smidge bigger than that one. That thing is huge. You see people out there standing beside it. It's massive. Well, this video is either going to be bonus material or it's going to be a full video by itself. Depends if I get in or not. But this is the Masonic Grand Lodge. Let me rephrase that. This is the Minnesota Grand Lodge Masons. Is what this building here is. And it's connected to an assisted living center, which is way down here. But that's, and it keeps on going on the other side of this building too. It's a really nice facility. Beautiful piece of property. Got lots of trees and grassy areas and stuff. So I'm gonna go inside and see if I can gain admission. So now we are downtown Minneapolis, about to go to the game. I'm gonna get past that curb, but we're like a block from the stadium, which is actually that way. But we're gonna go that way here and then go check out a little bar called O'Donovan's. I think that's what it's called. Nice little Irish pub. It's always so hard to film anything inside of a place like this because the background music, of course. But nice little ale. Look at that picture. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I got an oil painting up there. So we are outside of the stadium. Let's see who this guy is. Recognize his butt? No. Don't read his name on the back of his shirt. See if you recognize him. Huh? You know that guy? Famous Minnesota Twin? Rod Carew. That's right, that guy. We're outside of Target Field. Ready to go see a Twins play. I think we're playing the Rays. Look at the size of that bowl. It's all casted bronze. That's nice. It's huge. Well, we finally made it in. I had no idea you couldn't conceal carry in here. No, we didn't. But this is some of the activities they have going here in the outfield. We're actually, this is home run outfield. Pretty neat looking stadium. Let me turn this around. Here's the way in the outfield here. Got some different things going on here. Big screen. You can see the neighbors. Nice field. I wanted to show you some prices that were going on here. In case you decide to come to the game, you don't know how much it costs for stuff. Check out these prices over here, huh? You can get a soda for $1.99. That's not very many parks you can see that in. Closest ones would be Falcon Stadium. Of course, with them you get free refills. Cool. We're here 126, which that's our view. But before I get too slow, I want to show you how the interior is set up, kind of cool. Wow, this place is full. Okay, fine. Maybe we're an hour early, and they're doing announcements and stuff. And
these kids got the ball.
Good look at the stadium. It's real clean. Everything's real clean about it. I mean, you can tell it's really clean. At least we got some, I want to say, Green Bay Packers, take note. Get rid of those bleachers. Those seats were horrible. Give us something with some arms, you know? Flip down chair maybe, something would be great. Some backs. Boy, bleachers at Green Bay was horrible. You really had a college atmosphere, but I'd much rather sit in a place like this. Like the upper deck and everything. So this is about where our view is going to be. It's way out here in left field, but hey, it's not too bad. At least we're not up underneath or way up high.
He's raising our nation's colors this evening in honor of those lost during 9/11 attacks. We say thank you, Lieutenant Colonel Kohler, for serving our country.
Cool. Or heated, or what's this good thing? I should switch chains on that, shouldn't I? Let's try that again. It's a little big, isn't it? Let's get a little closer. This thing's real big. Almost echoes inside. So here is a artist rendition of the stadium. I don't know if this was made before the stadium or after the stadium. This is kind of neat. Down, we got it down. This is actually on that second level. They've got all the different parks, Major League Baseball parks. Like there's in San Francisco. Like this one, I've been in that field before. Of course, the top wasn't closed when we were there. And the Brewers play. Nationals, Diamondbacks. It's really a good, kind of a neat view. And here's the signings and the beginnings of the Twins, the story of Target Field, this field here, which is they've got this shovel here, and it's got a Louisville Slugger, which of course if you'll look up and right up there I'll put where this video is that we went to the Louisville Slugger Museum. They're in Louisville, Kentucky. Hey, there's my wife way over there. I can almost see her. She's way over there. She doesn't know where I am. Don't tell her. Well, at least get you a little bit of the game. Not much, just a little bit. This is kind of a cool area. This is actually up on the upper deck here. Top part of it. Way up here, you can see the Twins logo thing there. But it's like a little bar that's up here. Some high tables. Definitely bars you can kind of get in and out of the wind if there's a little bit of wind going on. And there is. That's why some people are standing in here. So it's pretty cool. It's outside of Donovan's. We just ate there. Well, before the game, but anyway. Yeah, that was it.